When you look up at the night sky and realize that every star, every galaxy, every speck of light is part of one gigantic universe, you can't help but ask, what's at the edge of it all? Is there a cosmic wall? A sign that says dead end? An intergalactic gift shop? Spoiler, the answer is both cooler and weirder than you think, and it's basically the universe's ultimate cliffhanger. The short answer, plot twist. There's no wall to crash into. The short answer? There is no edge the way you're imagining it. Sorry, no brick walls, no fences, no interdimensional do not enter signs. Space itself is expanding. Think of the universe like a balloon. If you draw dots on the balloon and then inflate it, the dots move farther apart, but there's no edge on the surface. That's kind of what's happening with space. It's growing, stretching, expanding everywhere, all at once. So the edge isn't some physical line you could walk up to and poke. It's more like an ever-moving frontier that you can never actually reach, which is a little disappointing if you packed snacks for the trip. What lies beyond what we can see? We're blind beyond 46 billion light years. Even cooler and slightly more terrifying, there's a thing called the cosmic horizon. That's the limit of what we can observe, about 46 billion light years away in every direction. Beyond that, well, maybe more galaxies, more weird stuff, maybe nothing at all. We literally can't see it because light from beyond that boundary hasn't had enough time to reach us since the Big Bang. So when you look up at the stars, remember, you're seeing the past. The edge of the observable universe is just the farthest back we can look, not the actual end. It's like watching a movie but missing the last 20 minutes. Forever. Could there be a real edge? If you find it, call NASA and maybe a therapist. Now, depending on the shape of the universe, and no, it's not flat, sorry, conspiracy theorists, there might not be an edge at all. If the universe is infinite, it just keeps going. Forever. If it's closed and curved like a giant 4D sphere, you could travel in one direction and eventually end up back where you started, without ever hitting a wall. Some theories even suggest multiple universes bumping into each other like soap bubbles. Others say space could wrap around itself in ways our little human brains physically cannot comprehend without snacks and a nap. Bottom line, if there is an edge, it's either so far away we'll never reach it, or it's more of a weird, mind-bendy property of space-time itself. Neat, right? Terrifying but neat. Final thoughts. The universe. Confusing, awesome, and very much ongoing. What's at the edge of the universe? Well, technically nothing. Or everything. Or something so bizarre we haven't even invented the math to describe it yet. But that's the beauty of it. The universe doesn't have to make sense. It just is. And honestly, that's kind of freeing. It means there's always more to explore, more to imagine, and more to absolutely fry your brain over at 2 a.m. when you can't sleep. If you like this little trip to the cosmic horizon, smash that like button, subscribe for more reality-bending questions, and comment below what other weird mysteries you want me to tackle next.